Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set shutdown timer for your earbuds Edifier HECATE GX07. You have to start by open Edifier Connect application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu, and right here you need to go to the settings at the right top. Now, right here at the right side we have shutdown timer and you need to tap on it. And now we can set shutdown, so it can be in 10 minutes, 20, 30, 1 hour and 1 half. So let's say you select 20 minutes, then you go back and now you wanna change it. So you can go return to the shutdown timer and increase the time, let's say to 1 hour. Then maybe you decide to turn off it. Then you need to select never at the top. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!